In this video, I'll show you the Natural S.A reshade for GTA San Andreas, which improves lighting, colors, and overall realism in 2026. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. Once download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close tab here. Open this Natural S.A. Now right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your GTA folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, then drop these files inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the page up key and select continue. These are the effects. Select continue. Select the finish option and select reload. Now you need to press the page up key again. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.